Good morning, ma'am. Do you have any available rooms for tonight?
Good afternoon, sir. I will check it. How many guests will stay?
3 adults.
We currently have one family room available with mountain view. It includes breakfast for free and complimentary Wi-Fi. Would you like to take it?
Yes, the sound is good. How much per rate for tonight?
The rate is 3,500 per night. Check-out time is 12 noon tomorrow.
Okay, we'll take it.
Can I please see a valid ID for registration?
Sure, here is.
Thank you. Please fill up this registration form and sign it in the bottom. Here is your key card. Your room is on the third floor. The hiking orientation starts at 5:30 a.m. at the lobby tomorrow.
Oh, perfect. That's exactly why we came here.
Enjoy your stay and have a safe hike.
You know that the whole check-in process is actually part of the accommodation sector. Right. Accommodation includes hotels and lodges where tourists stay. Without places like this, tourists will be able to rest before doing activities like hiking. And remember, we traveled 4 hours by tricycle to get here. That's the transportation section. It connects tourists from their home to the destination.
Plus, the hotel includes a breakfast.
There's a food and beverage sector, restaurant and dining services that complete the experience. Honestly, I really needed this trip.
Same. I've been stressed and mentally exhausted.
Those are push factors.
Push factors are internal. Reasons like stress, wanting relaxations, or needing a break from routine.
So, what's the full factor?
The mountain view, cool weather, and peaceful environment and hiking activities.
Those attractions pull tourists to choose this destination.
So, our stress push us to travel.
And the mountain experiences pulled us here. Oh, this view makes everything worth it.
In this moment, show the characteristic of tourism.
We only saw photos on it. But we couldn't truly experience the whole air in the physically here.
The guide assisting us during the hike are not accessibility.
The service is provided in Torsium at the city.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let 'em say we're crazy. I don't care about that.
Through this experience, we observed firsthand how the theories we studied in class are put into practice. Overall, the trip enhanced our understanding of how the tourism industry functions and how various sectors collaborate to provide a memorable travel experience.